It's Wednesday, August 14th, and this is Markets Daily, hosted by me, Jen Sanazzi. On this show, we navigate the currents shaping the crypto markets, providing insights against the broader financial landscape. So, whether you're actively trading or simply fascinated by the volatility of the crypto markets, this show is your compass to understanding what's happened, where we are, and where we're going. Good morning, everyone. On today's show, we're going to be talking all about the TON ecosystem as it continues to grow. It now has its own venture fund to invest $40 million into consumer apps. So today we're going to look at the latest development and how it could bolster further ecosystem growth. Well, we got to take a look at what TON was and where it came from before we can talk about this news. TON was originally started by messaging app Telegram to create a blockchain platform that could integrate with the messaging service to enable secure, fast, and scalable applications. Telegram released its white paper in 2018 and raised $1.7 billion in an initial coin offering. Unfortunately for the project, it was sued by the SEC, who claimed that the sale of TON's native token constituted an unregistered securities offering. After facing regulatory hurdles, the project was abandoned. Now, despite this, the project lived on. Developers who were unaffiliated with Telegram picked up the project and breathed new life into it. Now, recently, TON's ecosystem has made headlines as mini games like Notcoin, Hamster Combat, and YesCoin have helped onboard droves of people to Web3. The games have been coined Tap to Earn, and now about 20% of Telegram's users are playing the games monthly, according to TON's gaming lead. While these games have garnered excitement from the crypto audience and beyond, I don't really think there's anything new here. We've all seen games on social platforms like Facebook and WeChat before, and to me, these are just the next iteration of social first games. Now, let's talk about the news of the day. TON Ventures. This new initiative is going to be led by Ian Whitcop, the former director of the TON Accelerator, and Inal Cardan, former gaming lead at the TON Foundation. The organization has already raised $40 million and plans to invest in early stage consumer applications in the ecosystem with mass appeal. Now, the network's native token, Toncoin, has exploded in price on the back of the positive developments over the past year. It's gained 339%, catapulting it into the top 10 largest cryptos with a $16 billion market cap. Now, it sounds like the goal here is to make TON a staple in everyday digital life. But when it comes to developing blockchain apps with mass appeal, $40 million isn't that much to deploy to achieve this goal. Much more capital has been deployed across various sectors, and there are still critical challenges when it comes to user experience that need to be addressed before the masses will come pouring into Web3, whether that's through a trusted social app or not. It's clear to me that Telegram sees a future where they can become the everything app, much like WeChat is in China, and they could be able to do it. I believe this $40 million venture fund could be a game changer for TON, but not in the way you might expect. While the investment is undoubtedly a strategic move, its real impact might not be immediate. Instead, it could serve as a litmus test for how well consumer focused blockchain applications can integrate into daily life via Web2 social apps. If TON can successfully leverage these investments to create genuinely useful applications or the first iteration of these applications, it could set a new standard for blockchain adoption. But if the apps fail to gain traction or deliver value, we might see the hype around TON dim. How well will the social platform be able to translate this capital into mainstream adoption? I guess we'll just have to wait and see. That's it for Markets Daily today. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me to better understand the crypto markets and the different use cases that affect the crypto markets. If you like this show, please subscribe to the CoinDesk Podcast Network. That's available on all of your favorite podcast platforms. If you prefer to watch a video instead of listen to a podcast, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks so much for listening. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.